Welcome to S's Kitchen. Today we are doing a different thing, and this is some of my favorite stuff that I love sharing. This kitchen is about giving healthy tips. So this is I'm making me some raw juice over here. It's fruit juice, which we have pineapple, we have oranges, we have some cuties over there, and we have ginger root, and we have some turmeric and some lemon over here. This juice, I use it as a cough remedy because all the stuff that are over here are supernatural, and each fruit or root over here has an element that fights cold and flu. So this is what I've been using as my home remedy, and I decided to share with you all, and you guys can get to enjoy it too. So let's get started. Today I'm using Jack LaLanne's power juicer. I've already assembled it ahead of time to save time, and it's ready to go, and let's get started. This is pineapples. Pineapples are good for you. It suits cough, it suits sore throat. So this is something that you want to add when you are making your home remedy juices. I have some oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C, and with vitamin C they boost immunity, and they're also high in antioxidant, which helps to regenerate our cells. So this is something that's really quick that you can fix. So anybody out there with this machine or a different machine, you could do it. Ginger over here. This root is very important. It fights infections, reduces cholesterol, and this is an important root to have. I love the taste of it. Tastes really good, and I'm telling you, this is super good. It fights nausea, reduces inflammation, fights nausea, helps with muscle pain and soreness. Here we have turmeric. It's fresh turmeric, and turmeric is super good for you because it helps with to bring the secretions up. So it's something that you want to add when you have cold. Has a very strong color to it, and also turmeric is a cold remedy and acts as an expectorant, which I already said that it brings the secretions up, so it kind of helps with that. Pineapple is also good because it has the bromelain. It's an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps to fight infections, it does soothe the sore throat and cough. So this is pretty much like medicine that you have in there. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps with immunity, and it's also rich in with antioxidants. So this is something that you need to include. This is it. It's pretty simple to make and prepare with this machine. And here we go. We have our juice here. You can add ice into it. You can put it in the fridge to chill, or you can drink it however way you want. So this is pretty much ready. It's medicine. You don't have to drink the whole can. So just a little bit, and it will take care of your cough and everything else, cold and sore throat. So this is something that you want to try, and the taste is very good with ginger, lemon, pineapple, and oranges, and plus a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric has no taste to it, but it has a very strong color to it. And here we go. This is a finished juice, and we are ready to taste it. It tastes pretty good. All the fruits and ginger and turmeric and the lemon, they kind of add up, and the taste is super good. This is really good. You can chill it in the fridge. You can add ice cubes if you need to, but this is pretty tasty, and it's medication at the same time. So please visit my website to get all these recipes at www.healthycookingtipswithesther.com, or you can subscribe